Recipe for disaster, I will out Paisania when you craving like Garfield with my homemade lasagna. So lights, camera, action, you are vain with insomnia. A dish you will devour and can't say no. Get 2 cups of flour, now build a volcano. My time to shine, I got a glistening halo. Still winning it, forever cracking shells when I drop 3 eggs in it. Dash of salt and some olive oil. Extra virgin, too good to let spoil. Can't you tell? Careful now, along the walls of the well. Dough ball, come on, let's go. You're about to put you to the test. Oil, dab, cover, let rest. And now you gotta get a whole lot of tub of ricotta, like when you spot a jackpot. Way out in Nevada, I'm the kitchen musician, abracadabra, ta-da. Drain the whey, yo, and add 2 eggs. Yeah, it's eggs all day, and add in some basil. So now it's partly with oregano and parsley. Smartly got my own thing separated and partly. Some others might hate it, can't debate it when I tell them add the grated cheese. Set it aside and just wait, please. Now back to the dough, they'll be rolling in. Cut it into 4s, press with rolling pin. Tell me what you think, don't hold it in. Next up is the pasta machine, let's run it through. About 3 or 4 settings, make it do what it do. Pat it down with flour to avoid sticking. Trust me with the process, the clock is ticking. Season the ground meat over medium low heat. Onion, tomato paste, and crushed tomatoes. More herbs, more spice. Gotta make it today though. Discovering a talent like Galileo. Boiling the noodle until it floats. Doing it like Nona who came right off the boat. Now look how neat. Almost time to eat. Layer it, cheese, meat, noodle. Preheat the oven, yo, and do it with ease at 350 degrees. Cover it, don't be timid. Set it and forget it, yo, 55 minutes. What?